would practice, and I thought of it as if this was a dream class that I would have taken in the beginning, this is how I would have presented it.
I think I've always drawn and made things and taken workshops, and then eventually I got to a point where I had taken so many classes I was like, well, I could teach these, and then eventually I did start teaching them.
If I want anything in the world, it's to be able to encourage people. I'm giving away all my secrets, so you can tell exactly how I'm thinking. Nothing makes me happier than that.